Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Jonathan. I am the spiritually awakened empath. If this is your first time tuning into this channel and you're looking to gain a deeper understanding of the whole spiritual awakening process and everything that it entails, I highly recommend that you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be talking about the spiritual significance behind wanting to start to declutter your home and then eventually do a deep, thorough cleaning and begin to beautify it. Why is this so important? Stick around to find out. Let's get started. Before I get into exactly why it's so significant, take a look back. I want you to really think about what you just went through. Most of you have gone through this deep level of purging. You've gone through situation after situation. You've reviewed certain life regrets, mistakes, heartbreaks, traumatizing situations that have occurred in your life, and you've had the courage to physically purge this, to say, you know what, I know that I'm going to be feeling really bad and this is going to be painful, but you've had the courage to release this. You've allowed the tears to flow, to finally once and for all stop letting these old situations, things that have happened in the past, control you. And that's the thing. This whole purging stage wasn't just about letting go of these situations, because you've been doing many things unknowingly at the exact same time. Because let's think about it. As soon as you release a negative emotion from your heart, what ends up happening is now your heart gets infused with love. And that's the natural state of your heart, is to feel love, joy, and happiness and peace. And that's what's happened. You've began to start creating more self-love, more self-worth. You're starting to become more optimistic about your future. You've gotten yourself out of a victim mentality. You've stopped being just a survivor, and now you're beginning to thrive, because you're realizing that, you know what? You are special because God chose you to awaken. So God has got a plan for you. Things will work out. You will find your life's path. You just have to trust in God and trust in your angels and your higher self in order to be able to move forward. And not only that, this stage might have been extremely difficult as far as losing things, as far as losing friends, family members, relatives. And it just seems like you had to do this all on your own, and you did. Because these people, most likely the individuals that were taken out of your life, were of lower vibrational energy. Therefore, they didn't match yours. Therefore, you had to let them go. And that's why I keep saying that. As much as you think you're in control at the beginning, you're not. Because if it was you that was in control, you would have hung on. Think about this. How many times have you been in a relationship, or you've had a job that you have disliked, and you've kept either the relationship going or the job, you've stayed in that job longer? See? Do you really want to take 7 to 10 years to get to your life path, or do you want to get there as quick as possible? That's why these things are being removed. You must lose something in order to gain something back that's even better. And that's the thing, by doing this purging, you've been unknowingly doing so many different things at the exact same time. But the main thing is, you're no longer allowing a certain event or a certain person to control you. You're gaining your power. You're taking your powers back. And all this healing has helped raise up your vibration, has helped to start to create more self-love, more acceptance. And not only that, it's giving you the courage now to move forward. You've just gone through a grueling purging session. And that's the thing. That's the reason why beginning to clear the clutter from your home and beginning to do a deep, thorough cleaning and then eventually beautify your home is so important. It's such a milestone on your spiritual awakening journey. It's because, like I've said in other videos, how you feel on the inside gets reflected out into your reality. So now you've gone through this purging stage, you've raised up your vibrations, and you're up here, but now your home, the way it looks, is down here. Everything always has to come up to you. You never have to go down to them. And that's the thing. Now you're starting to remove all these stagnant energies, things that have been laying around, and then you start to beautify your home to start reflecting how you feel on the inside. And now you're going to be heading into another stage of your awakening. You're going to see that you've gone through the purging. You might not have learned all the life lessons yet. I'm telling you this will keep on coming back up. But each time, because you managed to heal it, you're going to start seeing it, let's say, from a third person point of view or a different perspective. And you'll go back on each situation, each time learning something, a deeper life lesson. And now it's time to move forward. Now it's time to start getting into action. And I'm telling you this, miracles are going to start to happen. Things will begin to align for you in order to get you to your life path, in order for you to tap into what you truly are passionate about, what you truly would love to absolutely do. But you cannot resist. As of this stage here, don't resist anything. If anything starts falling away, starts to get eliminated from your life, don't resist it. Instead, you know what? Thank God and thank your angels for removing something that no longer served you, and now have open arms and be willing to accept what it is that they want to bring forth, because if you lost something, you will get something that's even better back. It's just you cannot resist these changes. You think about it. You went through your purging stage. You felt very uncomfortable. You got out of your comfort zone. Therefore, you know what? You can continue to do this, and you will be able to. And that's the wonderful thing, is through this healing, you've managed to begin to open your heart chakra. And so many individuals will go through their entire lives only staying in the bottom three chakras, the root, the sacral, and the solar plex. But now, by you doing this healing, you've managed to open up your heart chakra. And what it's going to end up doing is now your intuition is going to get heightened. You're going to be able to start seeing the signs more and more, the synchronicities more and more. You're going to be able to find your life path much easier. And if you've been remotely staying inside, you've been in a hermit phase during this, I'm telling you this now, the world that you left is not going to be the same. Now that you're going back into the world, you're going to start to realize that people are much kinder and more loving, because they don't realize this is all done at a subconscious level. But you'll end up just meeting not even friends, just acquaintances. I remember this, getting myself back out in reality and just meeting acquaintances, and they were extremely overjoyful. They were like so happy to see me, and these weren't even friends, these were just acquaintances. Why? Because they have to match your vibrational energy. And that's what's going to keep on happening. You're going to bring forth individuals that are going to be able to help you. You're going to have individuals that match your frequency. Therefore, it's going to help you get what you need in order to move forward. It just, you really have to trust. And you know what? Think about how brave you were to get to this stage. And not only that, it's time to celebrate. It's time for you to set some time and celebrate. Now I want you to do this. Go listen to a song called Life is About to Get Good by Shania Twain. And I want you to start envisioning your future while you listen to this song. I'm telling you this song is going to pump you up, because miracles and great things are on their way now. It is a matter of time. And if something falls apart, you lose something, thank God, because it's aligning you with your life purpose that much quicker. There's no point in drawing this out. And what's awesome is now that your heart chakra is opening, now you're going to keep on opening all your other chakras. And all of a sudden, you're going to be able to open up your crown chakra, which is going to give you so many divine downloads. That's when you're going to really start learning about what it is that you're meant to do in life. And that's when your plan, the master plan, will be revealed to you. So keep on giving yourself more self-love every single day. Keep on staying encouraged, and know that you're aligning with your life purpose, and that everything is working out exactly how it should. All right, that's going to do it for the video. You guys have an amazing day. I love you guys. Namaste.